good evening my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is August 25, 2023. It's already 7:40 here in Dubai. So before we start our work, so my work start 8 p.m. So I will show you the breakfast that we will eat today. So the food is depends on the availability. So we try to eat healthy food as much as we can the whole year round. So I already prepared my brothers and sisters this breakfast. So breakfast is consists of carbs, protein, then some vegetable there. So I already prepared. So we have this three scrambled egg. I removed two yolk. So this is only one yolk, my brother and sister. It's a total of three eggs. Then I have here three hard-boiled egg. So we have total of six egg. So each egg contains 5 to 7 grams of protein. So at least we will get 30 to 35 grams of protein from the egg. Then we have this rice cake. 3 pieces around 80 to 100 calories of carbs. Then we have this cucumber and lettuce. This is very beneficial if you want to lose weight, to reduce if you want to lower your sugar in your body. So you can add this to your meal. Also, it's good for the joint. This cucumber, it will strengthen also our bone. Then it will help us to reduce heart diseases. So it's very beneficial. So it depends to the availability of the food. So if there's broccoli, cucumber, carrots, you can also add that. So try to add some vegetable in your meal, so it will help. Then also I have black coffee here. So maybe today we will not work out because we already worked out 6 days already. Then tomorrow we will do some legs tomorrow, Saturday. So I already upload the condition of our body. So at the time being, my body is very good now, condition. So I'm more lean now with brother and sister. So we will hold this condition as much as we can. So we are trying to get lean the whole year round. So that's it, my brother and sister. That's the quick glimpse of our breakfast today. Maybe I will show you again the lunch and dinner. So we will do the full day of eating. So you can see what we eat the whole day. Yesterday we did some last night we did some shoulder workout. I already uploaded that video. So you can see the shoulder workout we did last night. So that's it, my brother and sister. Quick glimpse of our breakfast today. Then later I'll show you the lunch and the dinner. So for the time being, my brother and sister, I'll get a video. Then I will update you later. What meal we will eat later. Okay. Have a good day and have a good night, my brother and sister. I'll see you again. Peace. Good morning, good evening my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today it's August 25, 2023. So it's Friday, we didn't work out today. So I will show you the full day of eating. So in the breakfast, I already show you the breakfast in the morning. So it's already lunch. It's already almost 12 here in Dubai. So I'll show you what we prepare for the lunch. So our lunch is very basic. It consists of carbs, protein, multiminerals, and vitamins. So I already prepared, my brother and sister, the food. So the food depends to the availability. As much as we can, we try to eat healthy, clean. Eat clean food as much as we can the whole year round. So I already prepared, my brother and sister. So our meal is consists of carbs, some vegetable there. Then we have this skipjack tuna. It's a solid skipjack tuna in sunflower oil. So this 4 rice cakes, it's consists of 100 grams of calories of carbohydrates. So this it's very good if you want to get lean. So it's around 100 to 114 calories only. So it's very less. Then I already prepared this vegetable. So our vegetable is consists of cauliflower, this cauliflower, broccoli. We have capsicum here. Then we have carrots, this cucumber. Then we have this lettuce. So this vegetable is very beneficial if you want to lose weight, if you want to reduce your, if you want to lower your sugar in your body. So this is the sample of the vegetable that you can recuperate or you can add to your meal. It's either in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This one is very beneficial. So if you want to lose weight, if you want to reduce the heart diseases, it also will help. Then this tuna, this can be source of our protein. So this tuna, it's around 20 to 25 grams of protein. So it's also it's very beneficial. It's consists of omega-3. So it's very good, especially in our heart. So it will you will avoid some heart diseases. So this is our lunch for today, August 25, 2023. So it's Friday. So later I will update you later the dinner, what we will eat later during our dinner. So let's eat, my brother and sister. So it's very basic, my brother and sister, very basic and very healthy. So our meals depends to the availability. That's why our body is very lean now at this time, August 25. If you will see, brother and sister, my body now is lean. You see more line there, especially here in the Cerratos area. So we try to eat clean food as much as we can. So let's eat. So today we take rest, Friday, because we already trained, I think 6 days already in a row. That's why the body should rest also, so the muscle will recover. Then tomorrow, Saturday, we will train quads and little hamstring. So I will upload that training for tomorrow. So for the time being, brother sister, I will cut the video. Then I will update you later regarding our dinner. So have a good day, have a good night, my brother and sister. I'll see you again. Peace. Good evening, good morning, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is August 25, 2023. It's Friday. So this is the last meal we will eat for today. So before we go home, it's already 7 p.m. here in Dubai. So before we go home, I will show you the dinner that I prepared. So the dinners depends to the availability, my brother and sister. So as much as we can, we try to eat healthy food. I try to eat clean as much as I can the whole year round. So I already prepared, my brother and sister, this meal. So our meal is consists of carbs. We will eat some rice, 100 grams of calories of carbohydrates. So this is our source of carbs. Then we have tuna here. Then we have some broccoli there, cucumber, lettuce, and some little cucumber and capsicum. So
as much as we can, we try eat clean the whole year round. So this is very beneficial, this vegetable, especially if you want to reduce weight, to lowering your blood sugar. So you can add this to your meal, my brother and sister. This is your breakfast, lunch or dinner. So this cauliflower, this cucumber, capsicum, this lettuce, it will help you to reduce weight. Then it will make you better. So this is the meal, the meal that can you add to your food. This is the breakfast, lunch or dinner, to my brother and sister. Then we have 100 grams of carbs, 1 cup only. So it's a white rice, it's a cooked rice. So that's it, my brother and sister. I show you already the breakfast, then lunch, now our dinner. So this is gonna be our last meal of the day, August 25, 2023, it's Friday. So then tomorrow we will train some leg workout. So I will update you that regarding that workout. So for the time being, my brother and sister, I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my new uploaded video to my YouTube channel. So I'll see you again, my brother and sister. Peace.